Hey guys, how you doing? Once again, a special welcome back to Cook and Share. I love Asian food and there's no per se Asian name for this, but it's gotta be close. I made this up, an Asian sesame beef noodle. Just absolutely delicious, loaded with veggies, and the great thing is you can do this up in about 30 minutes. So let me show you how to do this and let's get cooking. Okay guys, I'm going to start by marinating the beef, and what I've got here is about half a kilo beef fry stir strips. Don't try and say that too fast. Beef fry stir strips. Alright, and I'm going to put 2 tablespoons of low sodium soy sauce. I use the low sodium, I'm just trying to cut back on my sodium. About a teaspoon or a clove of minced garlic. A teaspoon of sugar. Teaspoon, teaspoon, teaspoon. Really easy to remember. You know I'm going to say it, one of my all-time favorites, ground black pepper. And a few drops of sesame oil. I'm going to add it, you can leave it out if you like, but I just like the taste of it. I'm going to take my all-time favorite cooking utensil, my hands, and just massage everything so the beef is thoroughly covered. Now it's thoroughly covered, I'm just going to set this aside and let it marinate for about 10 minutes. Of course, you can do the overnight thing if you like. In the meantime, let's make up our super delicious sauce, starting with 2 tablespoons of soy sauce. And if you want it a little saltier, add a little more soy sauce. About a teaspoon of sugar. A clove or so of minced garlic. And a few drops of sesame oil. That wonderful sesame oil. I guess that was a little more than a few drops, but that's fine. Now we're just going to go ahead and stir this up and set it aside. Alrighty then, let's do up our veggies, and I'm going to add some oil to a preheated pan. And I'm going to place in half a sliced onion, about half a bell pepper sliced up, about 4 button mushrooms, some carrots that are julienned. So we'll just add these to the pan and stir fry until they're tender crisp. Now the veggies are tender, I'm going to throw in a couple of handfuls of baby spinach here. And I'm just going to cook this through until it's wilted. Now they're wilted and cooked through, I'm just going to set this aside. To the same pan, I'm going to place the beef in. And I'm going to fry this up for about 3 or 4 minutes or so, just until it's cooked through. And if you get some juices in there, don't be afraid to drain it because you want it to fry, not poach. And once this is cooked through, I'm just going to go ahead and set this aside. And the last step, I got some water boiling here. I'm going to put in about 3 bundles of vermicelli, which is a green starch noodle. You can pick it up just about anywhere. And we're going to let this boil or cook for about 3 minutes. I should add, you can also use rice stick glass noodles, all kinds of noodles you could use. I just like this. Once the noodles are nicely cooked, and it's been about 2 minutes, they're basically blanched, not cooked. I'm just going to drain this and set it aside. Next up, now that everything is nicely cooked, I'm going to transfer it into a bowl, beginning with the noodles, followed by the veggies, the beef. Where's the beef? And the sauce we made a while ago. I'm going to take my handy dandy spoons and toss everything until it's nicely combined. It smells so good. I bet you it's going to taste just as good. Look at that, nice and stringy. So go ahead and transfer this into a bowl. This looks incredibly good. Go ahead and garnish it up with some sesame seeds. And there you have it, ladies and gentlemen, our sesame beef noodles. Absolutely delicious. Okay, let's dig in and give this a taste test. Oh guys, this is so good. Everything just comes together so beautifully. You gotta try this. I'm gonna have more. For the full scoop on this recipe, head on over to cookandshare.com. All kinds of great stuff over there. Thanks for watching, thanks for subbing, and see you next time.